hunters, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, minute, hunter, cooker, hey, my crew, hey, surfer, wave, pop it.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beautyw.cat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This wig is from the Sensationals What Lace, and her name is Braelyn. Everything about her will be in my description box below, so make sure you guys are checking those details out. So this is what she looks like in the inside, and this is what she is giving straight out the pack before I go in and pluck on her. Now, what I will say, if I had to compare brands, let's just say Sensational and Outre. I really do love Outre's quality of their laces and how the hairlines look, you know, compared to just other brands. But Sensational, their colorways, the style and colors that they use for their wigs are just amazing. Outre does have beautiful colorways as well, but it's just something about Sensational. I realized how tedious this hairline was going to be once I started to see that I was plucking a lot and nothing kind of was changing with the hairline. So I had to be extremely patient with this hairline. Everything is optional, but if you want it to look as natural as mine's, or if you want it to just, you know, give off a little bit less density in the hairline section, then of course keep watching. And I have other videos of me plucking units as well if you want to tune into that. I will be putting that in my description box as well. I do have a whole video of me explaining how I pluck certain units, or basically all my units, to be honest. So again, be mindful of your heating tools and how hot they are. This wig is a synthetic unit, so you have to really be cautious, because once you burn a synthetic unit, baby, it's a done deal. So as I'm plucking and plucking and plucking and plucking, I am really heavy handed when I pluck. That's why I really love lace that is very durable. So this unit did take some time for me. But as y'all can see, I see that I overly plucked so hard that I created holes within the lace. So please be mindful when you are plucking that you could potentially put holes in them. So learn from my mistakes. I am putting my foundation on this lace, and this is what she's given. I actually stopped plucking because I didn't want to put more holes in her, and kind of just wanted to just go with a side part so I can kind of disguise it. Y'all really like this hair on my Instagram page. I did too. Like, she was definitely giving sultry, sexy, grown. Like, this is a beautiful unit if you are trying to like have date night and step out and everything. So I did receive a lot of compliments, and I really truly appreciated those. This wig was on the silky side. So with silky units, they do tend to tangle and shed a lot, and she did tangle up. She tangled up really bad, y'all, and I was just so mad. Like, I ended up throwing this wig in the trash after I was done. So everybody that's asking me, can I have a wig, is in the trash. I'm sorry, y'all. Like, it was already holes in the lace. She started to tangle up. And you know, once you start combing so much of it, it loses its body and its curl, and it just becomes like a straight, just straight. So yeah, I wasn't fooling with this wig. I wouldn't even sell this or even give this away to y'all. Like, no. But overall, how I am feeling about this wig, the pros about this wig, of course, the price is very cost effective. This wig is beautiful. I love the colorway of this wig. It was an easy install, but if you are looking to pluck on this wig, you will be having, you know, some time. So kind of get comfortable, watch you a movie while you plucking, because yeah, I was plucking for a minute. But with the cons, she did shed, she did tangle, and I was getting so frustrated with it. So the tangling did turn me off from this wig, but what really sold me was the color of this wig and how pretty this looked on my complexion. If you don't mind the tangling and whatnot, again, like I said, get your wig brush, because maybe that was the problem with why, you know, everything was starting to lose its body and its curl, because I was kind of brushing pretty hard. So that concludes today's video. I appreciate you guys for coming back to my channel. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
Corn rich, nigga, A1, baby, back in that A, baby, butter.